Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. These tutorials we will see how can you fix your Verizon voicemail error code 9999. So here's a guide for the general app error, reinstall and update. Fix 1. Restart your phone. Press and hold the power button, tap on restart. Open the visual voicemail app again. Fix 2. Check your network connection. Turn airplane mode on for 30 seconds, then turn it off. Ensure mobile data is enabled. If you are in a weak coverage area, move to a location with better Verizon signal. Fix 3. Test standard voicemail. Dial *86 from your Verizon router. If voicemail works, the problem is likely with the visual voicemail app. If it doesn't work, your voicemail service may need to be reset by Verizon. Fix 4. Clear the visual voicemail app cache for Android. Open settings, go to app, select visual voicemail, select storage, and tap clear cache. If needed, tap clear data as well, then reopen the app and sign in again. It's 5. Update the app and phone. Install any available updates for the visual voicemail app. Update your phone to the latest software version. Restart your device after updating. Fix 6. Verify voicemail is active on your account. Sign in to My Verizon and confirm that voicemail is included with your line. If it was accidentally removed or disabled, visual voicemail won't work properly. Fix 7. Reset your voicemail password. Reset the password through My Verizon or dial *611 and follow the prompts. Fix 8. Contact your Verizon support. If error code 9999 still appears, you need to contact your Verizon and ask them to reprovision your voicemail service. Reset or rebuild your voicemail mailbox if necessary. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.